How do I know if I have access to my Google business profile? This is a common question, and this is a step-by-step guide on how to figure it out. So first thing is you type your business name right up in Google search bar, and it will show up here. So there's the map, there's carrier transit code, there's the specific address of our location. There's the reviews, all the information. There's 181 reviews, so it's an active account. The other thing I look for is, does it say, is this your business? Claim it. It doesn't say that. So as you can tell, I don't have access to this account right now. I'm logged in. I look up here and I'm logged in as Nate at Moeller Marketing. If I go to put in my business name, Web 801, and hit enter, this shows that I do have access. Your business on Google, profile strength, looks good, has all these different details of me editing it, shows this stuff over here. I have to make sure though I'm logged into the right account, because if I, let's say, switch this account, I'm going to switch it to my personal, and then I type in Web 801. Oh, I've given myself access to this one. And then the next thing I can do, if I know I have access, I can click on this little button right here, and I can click on business profile settings, and then I can click on people and access, and I can see, okay, my Nate at Moeller Marketing, my Nate Moeller at Gmail, and Chelsea at Web 801, those are all people have access to this account. But if I switch it to the one I didn't see, which is Nate at Web 801, and I type in Web 801, then it shows my website, the Google business profile, but it doesn't show all those things that I just showed you that I had access to with the other account. So first step is make sure you're logged in with the right email address, and you might have to switch it around to test it out. Second step is type in your business name, or sometimes your business address if you have different locations. If you're trying to find multiple locations, type in carrier transit code Idaho Falls, carrier transit code Nevada, whatever. And if it shows up in maps and it's not showing the information we talked about, which is this, Web 801, if it's not showing this, that means that email account doesn't have access to it. If you have any questions, send me a text or an email or leave a comment, and look forward to getting all this stuff set up and running. Thanks a lot.